Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Figma with Asana. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're using Asana and you want to go ahead and connect Figma with it so that you can create tasks automatically. How do you actually go ahead and connect Figma with Asana? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click on the profile icon on the upper right-hand corner. Next, click on Settings. And then from here, you want to go ahead and click on Apps, scroll down, and then click on See All Apps, which is here. Once you click on See All Apps, you could actually search for Figma here. And once you click on Figma, click on Install Asana for Figma. Now, keep in mind that if you do install this, you simply just need to log on to Asana and link Figma with Asana. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect Figma with Asana. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.